The moon, silent, unchanging, and closer to us than any other world in the universe. For thousands of years, it has guided our oceans, inspired our calendars, and fueled our imagination. Yet, despite decades of study and six-manned landings, there are still things about the moon that even NASA can't fully explain. Today, we'll explore the strange mysteries of our closest celestial neighbor and what NASA may not be telling us about the moon. 1. The moon rings like a bell. During the Apollo missions, astronauts placed seismic instruments on the lunar surface. When the stages of the lunar module were intentionally crashed into the moon, something unexpected happened. The entire moon reverberated, ringing for nearly an hour as though it were hollow inside. NASA scientists were stunned. On Earth, seismic waves fade quickly, but the moon's vibrations kept echoing. Some speculated that it's due to its unique, dry composition. Others suggested something stranger, like a metallic core or vast internal caverns. Whatever the reason, the data didn't fit any known geological model. 2. The perfect orbit. The moon's orbit is almost too precise. It's exactly the right size and distance to perfectly cover the sun during a solar eclipse, a coincidence that statistically is extremely rare. Some astronomers say it's just luck, but others point out that its synchronization with Earth's rotation and tides seems intentional. It's as if the moon was positioned to stabilize Earth, not just by nature, but by design. 3. Strange lights on the surface. For centuries, observers have reported flashes and glowing spots on the moon's surface. NASA calls them a transient lunar phenomena. They appear as brief bursts of light, sometimes red, sometimes blue, with no consistent explanation. No meteors, no sunlight reflections, no confirmed geological activity. Despite decades of observation, NASA still doesn't have a clear answer. 4. The missing data. Between 1969 and 1972, NASA Apollo missions brought back hundreds of kilograms of lunar rock samples. Yet years later, several samples went missing. Some reportedly misplaced, others destroyed, and a few never publicly cataloged. In 2009, NASA admitted that one of the original Apollo 11 tapes, containing the highest quality footage of the first moon landing, was accidentally erased and reused. To this day, the public only has broadcast copies, not the original source material. 5. The strange origins. The leading theory, the giant impact hypothesis, says the moon formed when a Mars-sized planet collided with Earth billions of years ago. But when scientists analyzed lunar rock samples, they found the isotopic signatures were nearly identical to Earth's crust. That shouldn't happen if it formed from another world's debris. In other words, chemically, the moon looks like a piece of Earth itself, as if it was somehow carved out and set into orbit. The moon is our oldest companion, yet one of our greatest mysteries. Every discovery seems to raise new questions about how it formed, why it behaves the way it does, and what secrets it still hides. Whether these mysteries point to scientific gaps or something beyond our understanding, one thing is certain: the moon is far more than a silent rock in the sky. It's a cosmic enigma we've only begun to understand.